Okay. Phil doesn't know that I'm doing this.
What the?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Today we're going to look at a house together. We've looked at millions, feels like millions, of houses in prep for moving. So I thought I would take you along today. We're going to an open house. We've applied for numerous, been rejected because of Tim Tam. How sad is that? People are rejecting us because of our dog. She's so beautiful and well behaved, but not all dogs are like that. So anyway, today not only will be finishing off the Art Deco piece, but we are also going to be looking at a house together and possibly an antique store that I wanted to go to last time, but it was closed. So let's get into it. Okay, I just checked the poll results and this is what they are. That is going to be so fun to do, but also challenging, because in the top corner I have repairs that I've done. It's not impossible, just challenging. I'll probably have to paint grain in there. The repair sort of blends in with the rest of the wood tone. We're also going to have to do some exploration, you guys, because as I said last week, the wood grain look on this piece is not the veneer, it's painted on. It's strange. It's really strange. And let me show you what I mean. So that's the painted grain, and then this is the actual grain. So we may have to do like a faux grain look on the top half. I think that's what we're gonna have to do. But I'm gonna sand all these back. You know what it's like? It's almost like a photocopy. That's what it's like. It's like a photocopy on top of the wood. It's really fascinating, to be honest. Puzzling how they did that. But I'm going to re-protect this exposed bit because I don't know. I don't want anything bleeding through. Not that I think that it would, but it will be annoying if it does. But I'm sure I'll scuff up more, so I'll sand this first and then I'll reseal this part and any other part I expose. Okay, that's come up a treat. Sort of doing a vertical line there. You can see where the design is starting to take place before I actually tape off, seal it, or at least stain it, and then do the paint. I've got to fix up this part, but it's a lot better than I thought. I'm gonna actually try and sand the top back. And it definitely feels different. It is a ply, so I'll have to be really careful with it, but I think I'm gonna try and sand the top as well, rather than doing a paint effect. I was trying to figure it out in my head and I couldn't make it work, so I'll sand it back, see what we come up with. think inspired by what you guys voted for, but not exactly like it. I'm going to so that will be paint, this will be paint, this is painted, but everything else is going to be stained. Yeah, I've got everything sanded that I need to get sanded so that it looks similar, inspired by the piece that you guys voted for. But what I need to do now is go to Lowe's. Actually, I'm going to go to Home Depot because it's a lot closer to where I live. I need to buy some primer, and I also need to buy some thin painter's tape, because the design that you guys picked has a beautiful geometric shape on the side as well as sort of down the front, and I will need to tape all of that. So I'm gonna get a thinner painter's tape than what I currently have. I just have the regular size and I need the thin one. So I'm gonna go do that.
Are you recording?
I am. Okay.
I just had a nice sandwich.
It smells nice. Makes me hungry.
Dad was making bacon.
Nice. This will come back to bite me on the bum later.
603 light blues, please. Just FYI.
Okay, you guys. It's okay. I'm not really happy with it 100%. And it's not the product used, it's user error. So I used DIY's Dark and Decrepit, and I applied it with a sponge. Why? Why did I do that? Debbie has the perfect brush. It's a 2-inch angled brush. It's gorgeous. This guy. How good is it? It's really soft. Won't touch my face with it currently because it has Dark and Decrepit all over it. I'm happier now that it has second coat on it. Except for the top. Yeah, I don't love the top. So, it's getting painted. So what does that mean? Hey, how are you?
Now the phone helps you.
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
So I tape what I do and I put it up there for people to watch.
That's so cool. Am I messing it up?
No.
That is too cool. And then people ask you questions.
Mhm. Yeah.
And how long have you done that?
Since about COVID. Because my husband had no work and I was working, but we needed a little extra money, and so yeah, I was already doing
19
it.
or 20, so gosh, almost probably 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, and I was already doing it, like doing furniture and stuff, and Phil was like, you know, you need to.
Hey. Oh my gosh, there's that little dog that looks like a bear.
Oh,
That's
yes,
so sweet.
he's so sweet.
Is this where Grace lives? He's met Grace.
Tammy, yeah.
This is Wilson.
My neighbor called in to say hello to me. She's so sweet. I love her. And I wasn't planning on painting the blue coat, but she said, go ahead. And so I painted while we had a little chat together. I haven't finished the top. I need to paint the top, and then I'm gonna call it done for today. I've gotten a lot done, more than I thought I was gonna get done, and I also had a few obstacles to overcome. So it was, as you do whenever you're painting something, very rarely does it all go 100% smoothly, but that's just all part of it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I love you to pieces. Be good, be safe, and I cannot wait to reveal it to you next time. We will give it a light sanding, because I'll do a second coat. We're going to do a light sanding of the blue. Second coat, we're going to do the geometric design as well as gold here, and the handles. Top coat the whole thing, and then we'll call it done. So I hope I see you guys then. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe, join in the fun, and I will see you then. Love you guys. Bye.